Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Select circle hooks sized between 1/0 and 4/0 for most saltwater species. Use 30 lb fluorocarbon leaders about 24 inches long. Pick barbless or lightly crimped hooks to reduce harm. Choose hook size by target. Smaller 1/0 for snapper, 2/0 to 3/0 for sea trout, 4/0 for larger grouper. Match bait size to hook gape so the bait hides the point. Rig a 3 to 6 foot mainline with a swivel to prevent twist and keep leaders neat for presentation. Hook live bait through the lip or just behind the dorsal fin for natural movement. Leave 1/2 to 3/4 of the bait free to swim when hooked. Use a short tag leader of 12 to 18 inches for better hookup angles. Thread the circle hook so the point faces the bait's back but remains exposed enough to set in the corner of the mouth. Avoid gut hooking by not burying the point. This preserves bait life and improves survival if you plan to release. When a fish takes, hold steady and wait 3 to 5 seconds before applying pressure. Do not set the hook with a hard strip. Instead, lift the rod slowly to sweep. Slowly tighten line while keeping steady pressure to bring the hook to the jaw. Circle hooks rotate and slide to the corner of the mouth as tension increases, so avoid backlashes from sudden jerks. Play fish with steady pumps and controlled reels, using drag set at about 1/3 of line test to prevent breakoffs and keep the hook seated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.